Good morning. Today we are going coastal. We're walking from Southend-on-Sea to Shoeburyness. And if you're in Southend-on-Sea, you might as well visit this pier, the longest pier in the world. Southend Pier stretches a whopping 1.33 miles into the Thames estuary. It's so long, there's a miniature train that runs along it. And yes, we're walking to the end and then catching the train back. Seriously, it feels like I'm just casually walking into the middle of the sea. The views out here are just spectacular. At the end of the pier, there's a small cafe, kiosks, and lifeboat station, and of course, plenty of salty air and seagulls. A dinosaur even made an appearance. Now let's hop onto the little train and ride back to the shore. This ride never gets old. It's slow, it's charming, and it's got that nostalgic British seaside vibe. One of the few places where taking a train just for fun totally makes sense. Back on solid ground, so we're heading east now towards Shoeburyness. The walk takes us along the coast with long stretches of beach huts, quiet sands, and relaxed local vibes. This part of the walk is peaceful, and you'll spot locals walking their dogs, kids playing, and people just soaking up the sea breeze. There's something really grounding about walking by the water like this. I do love the English's obsession with beach hats. They look so cute and colorful. Some of them even have funny names, but the best one I found is this, Jabba, like Jabba the Hutt. Get it? As we get closer to Shoeburyness, things get quieter. The town has a mix of history, like the old Garrison buildings, and nature, with grassy areas right by the beach. It's a little bit of a hidden gem. And that's the end of our coastal walk today. From the heart of Southend-on-Sea, out to the sea, and back again, and all the way to Shoeburyness. If you're looking for a walk that combines classic British seaside charm with wide open skies and fresh air, this one's a winner. To do this hike, just take a train from Fenchurch or Liverpool Street Station to Southend-on-Sea, and it's just an hour train ride away. You can then take the train back from Shoeburyness to either Liverpool Street or Fenchurch Station. Easy peasy. I will see you in the next one. Kita kids! For us to stay here in England. See you later!